Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to explore the dark web and show you what you need to know before you venture into this mysterious and hidden part of the internet. The dark web is a term that refers to a collection of websites and services that are not indexed by search engines like Google or Bing. They are only accessible through special software, such as Tor, which anonymizes your online activity and hides your IP address. The dark web is often associated with illegal activities, such as drug trafficking, hacking, cybercrime, and even human trafficking. But it also has some legitimate uses, such as whistleblowing, journalism, activism, and privacy protection. So why would anyone want to visit the dark web? Well, some people are curious about what's out there. Some are looking for information or products that are not available on the regular web, and some are just bored and want to have some fun. But before you decide to join them, there are some things you should know and do to protect yourself from the dangers and risks of the dark web. First of all, you need to download and install Tor browser. This is a modified version of Firefox that allows you to access the dark web through a network of encrypted servers called Tor nodes. Tor browser prevents anyone from tracking your online activity or identifying your location. You can download it for free from the official website, https://www.torproject.org/secondly, you need to find some dark web links. These are not like regular URLs that end with .com or .org. They are usually random strings of letters and numbers that end with onion. For example, one of the most famous dark websites is the Hidden Wiki, which is a directory of other dark websites. You can find more dark web links by using search engines like DuckDuckGo or Ahmia, which are also accessible through Tor browser. Or you can use forums and chat rooms like Reddit or Discord, where people share and discuss dark web topics. But be careful, some links may be fake, malicious, or illegal. Always do your research before clicking on anything. Thirdly, you need to be cautious and vigilant when browsing the dark web. The dark web is not regulated or moderated by any authority. There is no guarantee of quality, safety, or legality of anything you see or do there. You may encounter scams, viruses, malware, phishing, frauds, hackers, trolls, and other threats. You may also see disturbing or offensive content that you wish you never saw. You may also break the law unintentionally or intentionally by accessing or downloading certain materials. To avoid these risks, you should follow some basic rules. Never use your real name, email address, phone number, or any personal information on the dark web. Never use the same passwords or usernames that you use on the regular web. Never download or open any files or attachments from unknown sources. Never trust anyone or anything on the dark web. Never use your credit card or bank account on the dark web. Use cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin instead. Never access the dark web from your personal computer or device. Use a public computer or a burner phone instead. Never access the dark web from your home network or Wi-Fi. Use a VPN service or a public Wi-Fi instead. By following these rules, you can minimize your chances of getting into trouble or compromising your security and privacy. So now that you know what the dark web is and how to access it safely, let's go ahead and explore some of the most interesting and popular sites on the dark web. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about the dark web. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you think about the dark web, and if you have ever visited it yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.